Here we have a gaming powerhouse, the ASUS PRO WS TRX50-SAGE Wi-Fi CEB Workstation Motherboard, a behemoth of innovation and unwavering performance. Built on the latest architecture, this AMD Ryzen Threadripper PRO 7000WX series motherboard is designed to handle even the most demanding tasks, delivering unmatched power, speed, and reliability. The world of professional workstations has reached a boiling point, with experts pushing the boundaries of creative expression and scientific discovery. They need gear that can keep up with their vision, gear that can process multiple tasks simultaneously without breaking sweat. This is exactly where the ASUS PRO WS TRX50-SAGE Wi-Fi CEB Workstation Motherboard comes in, providing a solution for architects, engineers, video editors, and researchers who need a robust platform for tackling the biggest projects. One of the standout features of this motherboard is its incredible CPU support. The AMD socket STR5 can accommodate up to 96 core CPUs, making it ready for AMD Ryzen Threadripper PRO 7000WX series processors and 7000 series processors. This opens doors to unparalleled performance in simulations, 3D rendering, video editing, and more. But that's not all. This motherboard is also designed for maximum overclocking, with support for up to 1 TB of ECC RDIMM DDR5 memory modules. But we know that performance isn't just about raw numbers. We want to talk about how this motherboard actually feels, what using it is like. Imagine booting up your workstation to find a machine that hums along smoothly, never slowing down, no matter what you throw at it. That's what the robust power and thermal design delivers. 36 power stages, 2 8-pin power connectors for the CPU, massive VRM cooling, and M.2 heatsinks to keep your system stable and quiet, even under the most extreme conditions. Beyond raw performance, we also need to talk about connectivity and the experience it creates. The ASUS PRO WS TRX50-SAGE Wi-Fi CEB features 3 PCIe 5.0x 16 slots, giving you the flexibility to run multiple high-speed storage and GPU configurations. With Wi-Fi 7, 10 gigabits, and 2.5 gigabits LAN, you'll experience seamless collaboration and data transfer, never holding anyone back. When we bring all these pieces together, we get a clear picture, a motherboard that's a game-changer for professionals who need more. More power, more speed, more options. It's not just a motherboard. It's a gateway to new possibilities, new levels of performance, and new frontiers of creativity. In conclusion, the ASUS PRO WS TRX50-SAGE Wi-Fi CEB Workstation Motherboard is designed to take on the most demanding workloads with unwavering confidence. It's built to inspire, built to drive innovation, and built to last. If you're looking for the top-tier workstation solution that will fuel your work and your dreams, you need to consider the ASUS PRO WS TRX50-SAGE Wi-Fi CEB.